Hello, friend! Welcome to a brand new adventure. One that's all about creativity, confidence, and a little bit of makeup magic. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of makeup to master the art of winged eyeliner. Whether you're a total beginner or just looking to sharpen your skills, you're in the right place. The winged eyeliner is a classic look, a simple line along your eyelid, finished with a flick at the end. It's a small detail that can make your eyes pop and your whole face light up. Think of it as a superhero cape for your eyes. Elegant, cheeky, and timeless. It's a look that's been loved for decades, from old Hollywood stars to today's trendsetters. Meet Penny, our adventurous clay figure standing at her ornate mirror ready for something special. She's got her eyeliner in hand and a sparkle in her eye. Winged eyeliner is creative fun for your face. No need to be a professional artist, just bring a bit of patience and a good sense of humor. It's all about experimenting and enjoying the process. Like learning to ride a bike, it might feel a little wobbly at first. Your first few tries might not be perfect, but with each attempt, you'll get steadier and more confident. The best part? This look can be as subtle or as bold as you want. Maybe you're feeling mysterious with a thin, delicate line, or maybe you want to go all out with a dramatic, bold wing. It's all up to you and your mood. Remember, you're the artist, and your face is the canvas. There are no strict rules, just guidelines to help you find your own style. We'll guide Penny step by step, sharing all the best tricks and tips along the way. From how to steady your hand to how to fix little mistakes, we've got you covered. Ready to begin? Let's treat this like a fun craft project. Gather your supplies, find a comfy spot, and let's get creative together. By the end, you'll know how to draw your own perfect wings, whether you want them sharp and bold or soft and subtle. Practice makes perfect, and every try gets you closer. Don't worry if it's not flawless at first. Each attempt is a step forward. Let's get started on our grand day out with eyeliner. Who knows where this new skill might take you? Maybe to a party, a photo shoot, or just a day where you feel extra fabulous. Penny's eyelids are ready for their close-up, and so are yours. Let's give them a look that's truly show-stopping. Let's make them look smashing. Confidence is the best accessory you can wear. No rush, just enjoy the process. Take your time, play some music, and let yourself have fun with it. Remember, it's about expressing yourself. Each line, each flick, is a little piece of your personality shining through. Mistakes are part of the journey. If you smudge or slip, just laugh it off and try again. Even the pros have to start over sometimes. Soon, you'll be gliding along like a pro, creating wings that make you feel unstoppable. Let's create something beautiful together. Here we go. Grab your eyeliner and let's make some magic. Every artist needs their tools, and when it comes to creating the perfect eyeliner look, having the right supplies can make all the difference between frustration and fabulous results. Before you even think about drawing that first line, let's make sure you're fully prepared. For eyeliner, here's what you'll need to set yourself up for success. No guesswork, just the essentials. First up is the eyeliner itself. Start with a kajal pencil, soft, easy to control, and forgiving for beginners. Its creamy texture glides on smoothly, making it perfect for those just starting out or anyone who wants a gentle, smoky look. Kajal is ideal for creating subtle definition or everyday wings. It's less intimidating than liquid liner and lets you experiment without fear of harsh lines. Next, there's liquid eyeliner. This tool is for those bold, sharp, and dramatic looks. It gives you crisp lines and intense color, but it does take a bit of practice to master. Don't worry if it feels tricky at first. Everyone starts somewhere. We'll start Penny with kajal to help her build confidence and get comfortable with the basics before moving on to more advanced techniques. A good mirror is absolutely essential. If you can, use a magnifying mirror. It helps you see every detail and makes precise application much easier. Place your mirror on a table or a stable surface so your hands are free to work. This setup gives you better control and helps prevent shaky lines. Cotton swabs are your secret weapon. Think of them as magic erasers for quick fixes. Perfect for cleaning up smudges, sharpening your wing, or correcting any little mistakes along the way. Good lighting is a must. Natural daylight is best, but a bright lamp works wonders too. You want to see every detail clearly so you can create clean, even lines. Trying to draw in the dark or with poor lighting is a recipe for disaster. Shadows and dim light can make even the steadiest hand slip. So gather your kajal, liquid liner, mirror, and cotton swabs. Lay them out where you can easily reach them. Organization is key to a smooth process. Penny has her tools ready and waiting on her dressing table. She's feeling excited and a little bit nervous, but that's all part of the fun. With everything set up and within arm's reach, you're ready for the fun part, actually applying your eyeliner. Preparation makes the process smoother and more enjoyable. Tools in hand, let's get started. Take a deep breath and remember, this is your time to experiment and express yourself. Remember, preparation is half the battle. A little time spent getting ready means less stress and better results. A steady, organized setup means smoother lines and fewer mistakes. Don't rush, enjoy the process, and don't forget to clean your tools regularly for the best results. Penny's collection is complete, sparkling, and ready for action. Now let's move on to the magic. The adventure begins. Ready, set, line. Let's do this. Your eyeliner journey starts now. Time to draw our very first line, the foundation of the classic winged look. This step is all about creating a base that's both subtle and striking, setting the tone for the rest of your makeup. Even if you're new to eyeliner, don't worry. This is where you build your confidence. Begin by drawing a thin line along your upper lash line, keeping it as close to the lashes as possible. The goal is to hug the roots of your lashes, almost as if you're filling in the spaces between them. This simple trick instantly makes your lashes look fuller and more defined, while also setting the perfect stage for the wing we'll add later. Notice how even a single line can transform your eye's appearance. Penny sits comfortably, resting her elbow on the table for a steady hand. This little adjustment helps prevent shaky lines and gives you more control. Gently pull the outer corner of your eye to create a smooth, even surface. This makes it much easier to draw a straight line, especially if you have a naturally curved eyelid. Use short, small strokes. Think of it like connecting the dots, rather than trying to draw one long line in a single motion. This technique gives you more control and helps prevent mistakes. Start at the inner corner of your eye, working outward with little dashes. Take your time and don't rush. Precision is more important than speed here. Once you've made your dashes, gently connect them to form a smooth, even line. If you need to, go back and refine any uneven spots. Check your work in the mirror. See how your eye already looks more defined and awake? Even a simple line can make a big difference. If you notice any small gaps or uneven areas, fill them in for a seamless, polished look. Don't be afraid to make tiny adjustments. This simple line is a great look on its own, perfect for everyday wear or when you want a minimalist vibe. Sometimes, less really is more. But today we're here for wings, so let's keep going and take your look to the next level. Penny's line is thin, neat, and beautifully done. She's ready for the next step. Remember, practice makes perfect, and every attempt helps you improve. Take your time, precision really matters here. If you make a mistake, just use a cotton swab or a bit of makeup remover to tidy up. Don't stress. Eyeliner is all about experimenting and finding what works for you. The base is set. Onward to the wing. You're doing great so far. Let's add some flair and make your eyes pop even more. Now for the exciting part, the wing. The angle is key. Imagine a line from your outer eye corner towards your eyebrow. This invisible guide keeps your wing uplifting, not droopy. Penny looks straight into the mirror, eyes open. Decide where you want the wing to end. A small flick is best for beginners. Using the kajal, place the tip at the outer corner and draw a short upward line. This is your blueprint. Keep it short and confident. Repeat on the other eye, matching angle and length as best you can. Don't stress if they're not identical. Close is good enough. 2 little guidelines are all you need for now. Penny's first flicks are done. The hardest part is over. Remember, practice brings symmetry. Small wings are easier to control. Adjust as needed with a cotton swab. The blueprint is set. You're halfway there. Let's connect the dots. On to shaping the wing. Time to turn that flick into a wing. Draw a second line from the tip of your wing back to your lash line, forming a small triangle. Aim for the middle of your eyelid for a balanced look. Penny carefully connects the lines, creating a tiny triangle at the eye's corner. Repeat on the other eye, matching shapes as closely as possible. Use a cotton swab to adjust if needed. Now you have 2 little triangles, your wings. Check for symmetry, but don't stress over perfection. This is where the magic happens. The shape is set, time to fill it in. Penny's wings are looking sharp. You're almost done. Let's finish strong. Now fill in the triangle for the final touch. Use the side of your kajal pencil to shade inside the lines. Small, gentle strokes work best. Make sure the color is solid and even, right into the corners. For a bolder look, trace over with liquid liner. Penny sticks with kajal for now, filling in her wings smoothly. Go over the lash line again, thickening it slightly at the outer corner for a seamless blend. The line should taper from thin at the inner corner to thick at the wing. Step back and admire your work. Penny's eyes look chic and defined. It's a classic polished look. Not so hard after all, just shapes and a bit of coloring in. With her wings complete, Penny's ready for anything. You did it. Enjoy your new look. Practice will make it even better. Wear your wings with pride. On to some pro tips. Ready for some pro tips? Rest your elbow on the table and your little finger on your cheek for a steadier hand. For a sharp wing, use a cotton swab with a bit of makeup remover to clean the edge. Sticky tape can be a guide. Just make it less sticky first. Place tape from the outer eye corner toward your eyebrow, then draw along the edge. Peel away for a crisp line. To match wings, do each step on both eyes before moving to the next. Lash line left, lash line right, then flick left, flick right. This helps keep them even. Penny's trying these tricks and getting better every time. Little adjustments make a big difference. Don't be afraid to experiment. You're mastering the art. Mistakes happen. Even pros slip up. Don't panic or wipe everything off. Use a cotton swab with makeup remover to thin out thick lines or fix smudges. For bumpy lines, smudge a bit of dark eyeshadow over the liner for a soft, smoky effect. If your wings are uneven, step back and look at your whole face. Fix the one you like less. Don't try to match both by making them bigger. Sometimes erasing and redrawing just the wing is best. Penny fixes her smudge and is back on track. Remember, every mistake is a learning moment. Stay calm and adjust as needed. Practice brings confidence. No need for perfection, just progress. You're getting better with every try. Keep going. You've got this. You've made it, your own winged eyeliner masterpiece. You know the tools, steps, tricks, and fixes. Practice is key. Nobody gets it perfect right away. Have fun and experiment with different wing sizes and colors. Try brown for softness, navy or green for a pop. Your eyelid is your canvas. Let your creativity shine. Makeup is about play, not rules. Wear your wings with confidence, even if they're a bit wobbly. Each attempt is a story of progress. Soon, winged liner will feel natural. Be bold. Grab your liner and go for it. Make it a fun ritual. Music, tea, and laughter. Penny's now an expert, trying all sorts of styles. You're an artist too. Celebrate your creativity. Keep practicing and enjoy the journey. Can't wait to see your creations. Cheerio!